Welcome to DJMTV.
My people are great to now. Welcome now once again to DJMTV. Make una do well to follow us, like, share, and subscribe. As I hear they bring all the ogbonge news they come your way. This one not be them say. This one are seeing for yourself. Make you hear it for yourself. On today's news, not be news again. Say that they find the ex-governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello. Not be smart till they go on. No EFCC don't talk. Say that they look for him because he don't steal almost 80 billion for government money. People that they come and they say why EFCC could they talk that kind of statement say that they look for him, but if not normal common criminal, then they bust into their house once, so they don't even they know their location, they don't find the people. That one don't come outside though to tell EFCC say he know where he did. Say make them come meet Sam for lead, he will give them the lead. Make now watch this video.
EFCC no know where Yaya Bello where still 80 billion. EFCC declare wanted, say they don't know where he did. But Yahoo boy, where still $50, $100. Una know where he did. Even the ones who no be Yahoo, una they go bust their house, they harass them, call them Yahoo. Una they go do hunting. But I don't feel hunt Yaya Bello. I cannot understand it. You understand? See young boy. All this one where they laugh. This one they even happy say thief. See how they laugh, they smile with placard. Bros, now you go spend time for sale. Anyways, see all these young boys, they go back them, but person still a whole country money, where they're supposed to better the lives of people. See Kogi State, Kogi are living in abject poverty. That's one of the poorest states, a small state. Do you understand? A small state. 80 billion as a governor, my God. And see, Nigerians, when they laugh, right? Now they laugh. I just look now. This same man, that one, they say, hey, they don't catch on politician where steal money. He go pay 50. They can't go cost now. He go pay 50 million naira as bail. Just the way Emefiele do. They say Emefiele steal $4.5 billion, which if you convert them now, almost 5 trillion naira. They say Emefiele steal another 2.8 billion naira. They gave him a bail of 50 million. Now, bail no mean say they don't discharge the case. But then again, it's a step to discharge the case. Because the justice system in Nigeria poor. There's no penalty for stealing in this country as a politician. You steal for something billion. They go buy. They'll collect the money, they'll buy. If you say they buy all these men, at least the thing for even reducing there's a strict penalty. Now, let's come back to EFCC. If you people are mumu, we are not mumu. Because now they ask us for lead. If anybody have a lead, they should tell you people. I have a lead. I know where he is. You understand? EFCC, I know where he is, and I will tell you. Now, let's go back to what has happened. As an investigator, Wabi, let me help you investigate. The last time, you people went to go and barricade his house. When I go blocking house, Abi. Now, when I come, again, come talk, say, if una want go arrest him, say you people may face the military if you want to go and arrest him, meaning you people know where he is. So, it's where that military people are, except if una they fear, say military go beat una. Una they fear the military. You understand? Unless that's why people are scared of. But the fact say when I talk say military go disturb una if now go arrest him, that means people know where he is. Again, when I say they for governor, say the Kogi State governor they cover him. So what are you people saying? Which one is the truth? You know where they go and pick him. Don't disturb we Nigerians, man. Go and pick him. All of a sudden you don't know where he is. This country is a joke. So that one's steal money. You go pay people make them protect him against the government. Can you just imagine Nigeria? Now, let's come to the youth. You see another problem. The youth cannot rule this country. Youth don't feel rule this country. Yes. I remember when they elected Yaya Bello. I was happy. I said, our youngest governor. Small states. I was even happy. Youngest governor and a small state. And Kogi State no big. So as a governor, if he transfer Kogi to Dubai, this guy go there. See what he do. Bad news for the people of Kogi. See their road. That's one of the most poorest states. The people look starving. See their zinc. See their road. Nothing. If they post for, you see, another reason why you don't say the youth no feel. Anytime they post, say politician thief money, check the comment section. The youth are not even interested. If you come go see the ones where they interested, see what you go to hear. This one steal money, go buy a house, you go buy a car. They catch this one for your account. You go here. If not me, I go save the money in Bitcoin where they no fit track am. If not me, I go use another person name buy the house for abroad. So the youth basically, they want to come into power because they want to steal the money and hide it in a better way than the politicians that we have now. It's crazy. It's not like they want to become a politician because they want to remove Nigeria from this present situation to a better situation. They want to be politicians because they want to steal better. We are in a big wahala. You are in a big, but anyways, EFCC, like I said, I'm giving you people a lead. I know where it is. Contact me.
Una don watch the video, a lot they go on for this country, and now only God go fit help us. Make una do well to drop una comment concerning these things so where they happen for Nigeria, and make una not forget to like and share this video. Until we meet again for another news, make una do well to stay safe. Una do. DJ